How tall you want this board cut off at? You want her about yay tall or less tall than that or what? I know I can cut her more shorter, but I can't cut her more taller.
86 3/4.
All right, 86 6/8. Oh, for the lifelong love of piss.
Cut her off at a 45-degree angle.
Angle, what angle?
45.
Well, you want her cut off towards the head of the board or the tail of the board?
It don't matter.
Head of the, okay.
You can't cut an angle with that.
Aye?
You can't cut an angle with
You're
that.
great fancy, aren't you? Well, what do you think you're building, catching cabinets? Come cut your own board off then. Come cut your own board off. I got more better things to do than that.